Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to send voice messages on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. Tap on the group or chat where you want to send voice messages. Tap and hold the microphone icon and start speaking. Once finished, remove your finger from the microphone button. The voice message will be automatically sent. While recording a voice message, you can slide left to cancel it. This is how you can send a voice message on WhatsApp on an Android device.